Number 18. First off, we have the Mercedes-Benz AVTR. This car feels alive. Inspired by James Cameron's Avatar, it creates a deep connection with the driver. There is no traditional steering wheel here because you control this car using a biometric pad that responds to your heartbeat and breathing. No steering wheel involved. And the back? It has 33 bionic flaps that move like they belong on a sea creature. The wheels can even rotate sideways, letting the car move like a crab. Number 17. Moving on, meet the Cupra Dark Rebel. This car looks like it's been designed entirely in a video game, and that's because it basically was. Cupra asked fans to design it in the metaverse, and this was the result. The Dark Rebel isn't about practicality. It's about rebellion. It's aggressive, edgy, and unapologetically weird. Step inside and you're met with a spaceship cockpit. A long central spine runs down the cabin, housing all the controls. There's even a futuristic steering wheel that looks like it was borrowed from a Star Wars set. And if we talk about performance, Cupra hasn't confirmed numbers yet, but the rumors suggest this electric rebel could produce over 500 horsepower. Number 16. Now, buckle up for the car nicknames the Shapeshifter, and that is the Audi Skysphere. This car doesn't just change modes, it literally changes shape. In GT mode, it stretches its body to become a smooth, self-driving cruiser. In sport mode, it shortens itself, lowers the suspension, and hands you the wheel. Yes, Audi built a car that transforms like Optimus Prime. Under the hood, or somewhere under the floor, is an electric powertrain pushing 624 horsepower to the rear wheels. On the inside, the car is minimalist. Clean, futuristic, giant screen, and just enough tech to make Iron Man jealous. Number 15. And let's talk about the BMW i Vision Dee, the car that talks back. D stands for Digital Emotional Experience, and this car is basically your emotionally intelligent best friend with wheels. The design is sleek, simple, and very retro-futuristic. But here's where it gets crazy. This car can change color, like full-on mood ring vibes. 240 e-ink panels let the D shift from pink to blue to yellow on command. The inside is minimal with almost no physical buttons. Everything is projected onto the windshield through BMW's full-width heads-up display. And yes, it speaks, literally. D interacts with you, learns your habits, your mood, and maybe even your snack preferences someday. It's not about performance here, it's about creating a deeper human-machine connection. Number 14. Next up is the Renault Trezor. The whole roof lifts off like the lid of a treasure chest. Inside, you'll find a single red velvet bench and a sleek floating dashboard. It's not about speed, it's about style. And this car has it in every inch. From the glowing front lights to the smooth curved body, this car is built to make a statement. Number 13. Now let's talk Alpine Alpenglow. Imagine a race car powered by hydrogen and glowing from the inside out. The body is partly see-through, showing off the tech like it's proud of it. It's part performance machine, part rolling artwork. The design screams speed and future innovation, and it's built with sustainability in mind. Number 12. Time to admire the Rolls-Royce Vision 100. Forget driving. Relax in luxury as Eleanor, your AI chauffeur, handles the journey while you sip champagne on a silk couch. Also known as the 103EX, this car doesn't need a driver. Yes, it's that luxurious. Even the luggage has its own compartment that slides out for you. Number 11. Next up, we have the Mercedes Vision 111. It blends 1970s styling with futuristic tech. The digital lights and orange interior look like a scene from a retro video game. It even switches from sporty mode to lounge mode. A time-traveling machine if there ever was one. The car's motors are super light and super powerful, making it efficient and quick. Number 10. Say hello to the DS XE Tense. This car is uneven on purpose. One side is an open race car, the other a cozy closed pod with leather and lights. It has over 1,300 horsepower and the kind of weird charm only French design can pull off. The interior includes air purification and even a built-in fragrance diffuser. Number 9. Next, Cadillac InnerSpace glides in. Think of it as your personal wellness retreat on wheels. Huge glass windows, comfy seating, and AI that knows your preferences. It doesn't just move you, it relaxes you. There's no steering wheel, There is just a screen, and it is your voice controlling the ride. Number 8. Meet the Mercedes IAA concept. At high speeds, it stretches out in the back to cut through the air better. It's like the car grows a tail to go faster. Sleek, smart, and stylish. The transformation is automatic, triggered by speed, and helps make it more energy efficient. Number 7. Here comes the Bentley EXP 100 GT. Massive gull-wing doors, a cabin made from natural materials, and technology that tunes itself to your feelings. This car doesn't just look grand, it makes you feel grand. You're surrounded by glass, wood, and soft light that changes based on your mood. Number 6. Now arriving, the Audi Icon. No steering wheel, no pedals, just deep seats and smart displays. Built for comfort and long-distance driving, it's basically a techie first-class cabin on 4 wheels. Audi even added a robot assistant to welcome you and bring your drinks. Number 5. And here's the BMW Vision. Next 100. This car learns and adapts to your driving style, featuring flexible dashboard components that physically change shape to communicate with you. It has moving dashboard parts called alive geometry that change shape to alert you. Plus, the body can shift to match your driving style. Think of it as a car with a personality. Its AI assistant talks to you and helps you drive better over time. Number 4. Now meet the Skoda Vision 7S. This one's for families of the future. A 7-seat electric SUV with magnetic baby seats and rotating screens. It's clean, clever, and surprisingly cool. Skoda designed it to be safe, green, and very practical. Great for road trips and daily use. Number 3. Enter the Nissan Hyperforce. Potentially Nissan's next GTR, this electric powerhouse boasts over 1,300 horsepower and a cockpit inspired by racing video games. It's built for both racing and city cruising. Picture a ninja warrior in car form. It even has a racing game-style interface on the dashboard. Number 2. For the next one, we have the BMW GINA. It doesn't have metal panels. Instead, it uses stretchable fabric over a frame. When the car moves, the fabric shifts. Want to open the headlights? The skin peels back. It's design, theater, and engineering rolled into one. It's more like a living being than a machine. Number 1, and just like that, we're back with the Mercedes AVTR. This time, we look closer. It doesn't use normal batteries. It uses organic cells that are fully recyclable. It can even move sideways like a crab. When it drives, it doesn't just turn heads, it looks like it's floating through another dimension. Every movement is smooth and silent, like it's alive. So, if money were no object, which would you choose? The car that responds to your heartbeat, the autonomous luxury lounge, or maybe the futuristic racer that glows like a spaceship? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing car content.